guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are new here, hello, my name is Dominique, and on this channel we talk about business, mindset, law of attraction, manifestation, and so much more. So if you want to be a part of this tribe, all you gotta do is click that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get into this video. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about affirmations, positive affirmations. Especially in a time like this, we definitely need to have more positive affirmations so we could just really reprogram our mind. So by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use affirmations and how you could use them to actually change your life, your business, just everything. So stay tuned. So before we get into how to really use affirmations, what is an affirmation? So an affirmation is a statement that you use to help reprogram your subconscious mind. When you constantly repeat the affirmation, believe in what you're saying, you're able to train your mind to start actually thinking positive. Now, with affirmations, it helps you align with your higher self. And that's where we need to be when we want to start attracting what we want in life. We need to be aligned with our higher self. So I always say to vibrate higher, meaning to raise your vibration into what you really want. And using affirmations are so important when you want to raise your vibration. But you could really use affirmations for absolutely anything. I know people use them for helping them lose weight or attracting the love of their life. So whatever it is that you want to change in your life, you're able to use it. You're able to use an affirmation to get you that much closer. So now that we know what affirmations are, let's get into the hacks on how to really use them. Now, when I really started getting into affirmations, I really just looked up on YouTube, I am affirmations, and there were some things that popped up, and I would just listen to them, and I would just go on about my day, or I would listen to them at night when I went to sleep. So I would have like an 8-hour affirmation playing while I'm sleeping, and that really does help when falling asleep and waking up, and you do feel more positive about your day. I'm not going to knock that, but to really have a force behind your affirmations, you're going to have to customize your affirmations. So that's going to be the first thing you want to do, is customize your affirmations to fit where you are right now. So for instance, if you are someone that is trying to attract more abundance in your life, more financial income into your life. I remember doing this, and I would listen to I Am a Millionaire and all of that type of stuff. But I really didn't see a change in my vibration because at that present time, I didn't believe that. So you have to believe into your affirmation and what you're saying each and every day. So saying I am a millionaire, I am a millionaire, your vibration may not be there yet. So what you need to do is customize that affirmation so you're able to put that emotion behind what you're saying. So instead of saying I am a millionaire, you need to change up your affirmation so you're able to really feel what you're saying. So say something like, each and every day I have new ideas and new opportunities that brings me passive income. Or each and every day I have new abundance coming into my life. And once you're able to really customize what you're saying and you actually feel it, you actually start to look out for signs of your affirmations coming towards you. So really customizing that. It's very, very simple when it comes to customizing your affirmations. So simple. So get a piece of paper out. We're going to actually do this together. So on one side of your paper, just put something that you want to change in your life. It could be your health, it could be your finances, your relationship, just anything that you want to put, you're going to put on one side of the paper. And then on the other side, you're going to put the total opposite. So if it's I'm out of shape on one side, on the other side, your affirmation is going to be each and every day I give my body the nutrition and exercise that it needs. So customize your affirmation. So that is pretty much it. So doing an affirmation is just doing the total opposite of what you're doing. If it's for your business, so your business, you will put on something that you are currently feeling right now. So it could be low sales or no sales. Your affirmation is going to be, every day I see an increase in my sales. Every day I see more and more people drawn to my website and making orders. That's simple. And you continue to say them each and every day. Alright guys, so we came to the part of the video where we drop our affirmations below. So let me know, what is your favorite affirmation that you are currently using right now. I will be the first. I will have my affirmation pinned in the comments below. So go ahead and leave your positive affirmation below. So when is the best time to really put this to work, to really say your affirmations? There's really no set time on when to say your affirmations. I would just recommend saying them when you feel the most highest in your vibration. Now this could be right before you go to bed and you meditated and you really feel that connection with your higher self and you're able to really connect with your affirmation. That would be a great time to say them. Or you could say them right when you wake up before you really get your day going. You look in the mirror and you're saying your affirmations. The whole thing about it is really feeling what you're saying. Now you could say them in the car or when you're, cooking or whatever. There's really no set time. But you just don't want to say them when you're feeling discouraged or whatever the case may be. You just really want to say them when you're at your highest vibration. Just remember, affirmation is there to reprogram your subconscious mind. Don't get caught up in anything else but the words that you are saying. What you say to yourself, your thoughts become your results. Now, it's very, very important to make sure that we're aware of what we're thinking, and that's why I love affirmations, because it really makes you aware of what you're thinking and helps you train and control your thoughts. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help this channel grow. If you like this video, go ahead and check out this video right here, this video right here, and don't forget to subscribe right here. So I'll be back tomorrow with a new video, so turn on your notifications, and thank you so much for watching.